Is it possible to make a great dinner in 15 minutes? The answer is yes. Quick, easy, and super yummy paleo dinner recipe. The combination of flavors which you won't be able to resist. Combine pineapple juice, chicken broth, soy sauce, sriracha sauce, light brown sugar, rice vinegar, shredded ginger, and cornstarch in a saucepan over medium heat. Meanwhile, chop red bell pepper and green onions. Then cut a pineapple in cubes. Later, we use this pineapple boat as a bowl for our serving. Pour 3 teaspoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add shrimp mixed with salt and pepper. Fry for only 2 minutes on each side. Add 1 teaspoon of oil in the same pan. Add red bell pepper, pineapple cubes, add sauce, and raise the temperature. After, add shrimp to the mixture while stirring constantly. Serve with spring onions and enjoy the taste of pineapple shrimp. Check out our other recipes, subscribe, and cook with us.